log out of Valora app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of your Valora app. For that, you will need to follow these steps. When you open the application, here you won't be able to see the sign out or log out option in this page. Valora doesn't have a traditional logout option as it focuses on self-custody and doesn't store user data. But if you want to disassociate yourself from the wallet, then you will need to go to the settings in order to clear the data. By doing so, you'll be able to log out or disassociate yourself from the Valora Wallet app. Now, you will need to firstly open your device settings, or you may also scroll down from the top of your screen and then tap on the gear icon at the top right. This will take you to the settings page. Now here, you will need to scroll down to find the application option. Once you locate it, simply tap on it to open it, and inside, you will be able to see the list of installed applications. From here, now find the Valora application. Once you locate the Valora Wallet app, you will need to simply tap on it to open it, and then you will reach to this page. Here again, you will need to scroll to find the storage option and then tap on it to open it. Now in this page, you will be able to locate the clear data option at the bottom left. Simply tap on clear data and then a pop-up will appear. Here it says all the application data will be deleted permanently. If you would like to continue further, simply tap on delete option and then your data will be cleared. Now after doing this, you will need to return back to the Valora application, open the application here, and then here you will see you have been successfully logged out from your Valora application. So by following these steps, you should be able to log out of your Valora app. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.